All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm back in the shop with Justin, MyMachinist, everybody's favorite machinist, and today we're going to talk about the 09 and older twin cam. Well,
all twin cam horn deliveries.
All twin cam. So Dynas and Touring. Again, excludes the Softails. Obviously, they're a completely different setup, but
yeah, because the baggers have split up with 09 to 13, 14. Depending on what, and then those don't have the top motor mount. So the 08 and earliers have the top Heim joint motor mount. So what we're gonna do is basically drill and tap my standard horn delete mount and then mount it on Sierra's Dyna and kind of do some testing and stuff like that to make sure it's all gonna work. Because I'm not sure if the height or anything like that's gonna work. This is basically first for all of us to see if it's gonna work out.
Yeah, so we're just going to bring you guys along with it real quick. We're going to do a time lapse on actually getting the bike disassembled to get the original horn set up off the bike. And then we'll show you the steps to actually install it if everything goes well. So that way you guys, if you were to purchase one, you would know exactly what to do to get this on your bike. So I guess with no further ado, we'll go ahead and start tearing into this and we'll get this thing mounted up. All right, so Justin got the old mount off. Like we were saying, you got the 2 bolts here on the heads, and then you got the 3rd bolt right up here for the Heim joint. This is the actual upper motor mount that's connected to the frame. I know it's hard to see in there. So there's a bolt here, 2 bolts here. Also, you got to disconnect the horn, get all that stuff out of the way. What we're doing right now is we're actually having to drill and tap this center hole. So Justin's got the mount over here. This is his new CNC piece. So it's definitely a lot nicer and sleeker than the old stamped steel that the factory uses. Plus, right here, you know, we'll be eliminating the provision for the horn. So the horn was powder coated black, didn't look that bad, but this will definitely kind of give it a nice little cleaner look, and in turn add more uniqueness to it. So we're gonna get this thing drilled, tapped, installed, let you guys see the final product. And like I said, hopefully with this, we'll be able to get this on the website, and then you guys, the Dynas and older twin cam baggers, will have the ability to purchase this piece for yourself and be just like the M8 boys. So, all right, we'll check back in a minute. All right, so you check it out right there. Looks real cool. Got the logo cut in it. Everything looks nice and slick. These will come available in black, and I think pretty much just black and raw. Maybe polished, but other than that, pretty straightforward. So watching what he's doing. Now I did go ahead and zip tie the horn harness up out of the way. That is something that'd be easier to do now than later. Let's get those bolts started. I'll help him by lifting up the back end of the tank. And just so you guys know, that arm that we're about to screw, the center hole, if it is off, if you look deep down in there, that is threaded. You can run that cross brace in and out. Don't think that the hole's out of line or whatever. Every bike could be different. Someone could have possibly messed with it at a previous time, but either way, there is a jam nut, and you can run that Heim joint in and out. Bada bing. I mean, obviously, we got to do the final torque. This isn't the one that's going to stay on the bike. We're going to put a black one on here, but it gives you guys a good look at what it looks like. Kind of see all the Allen stainless hardware in there. Everything definitely looks a lot cleaner. If I can remember, I'll probably try to do a before and after so you can kind of see it a little clearer, but definitely a huge improvement. I dig it. I think it looks super clean. And as you see, he's using his torque wrench Allen keys.
It's spec. I actually.
Oh, okay. He's calibrated.
Yeah.
Yeah. As far as like, this isn't a how-to, so definitely refer to your owner's manual if you're concerned with torque specs and how-tos and all that kind of stuff. We're just kind of showcasing the product itself.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Click, click. It clicks twice, and then beep. I have a digital one too.
Oh, digital. Like I said, this isn't staying on. We're just.
Can you go up?
Yep. That's about. Oh, there you go.
I want to scratch this fucking
Beautiful
Barbie
paint.
doll paint job.
This is a factory OEM Harley Davidson paint right here.
All of it?
Not the fairing. And like just like that, there we are.
So it's still parallel.
Super clean. Like I said, obviously the tank's lifted up a little bit, but when it lowers down, fuel lines attached, you know, your cables are back across, everything's gonna look super sharp. So I'm gonna do a couple little slow-mos with this all kind of buttoned up the way it's supposed to look, and then we're gonna take this back off, send it off to the anodizer, get it black, and
So do we make shirts of make the B-side great again?
make the B-side great again. All right, guys. Well, anyways, definitely appreciate it. First little tutorial, and we're gonna do some more of these. I know there's a few other products that you guys have questions about, so as the bikes are rolling in, as we can get to it, we'll definitely showcase the different things for you guys. But we will do a bike check on this, so for those of you guys that are concerned about some maybe the other products that are on here, like I said, this bike does have Justin's upgraded risers on there, a few other nice cool little components. So the wife and I will go out for a little ride, dig a little deeper into what she's got done to this thing. So anyways, appreciate it, and we're gonna end the video right here. So we'll take care.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. All right.
Where's zip ties? I need 2 zip ties.